loving, caring, sharing. This is my family.
Welcome to Grandpa Kitchen.
Today we are preparing
Traditional Irish stew. Let's clean veggies. Today we are making Irish stew recipe. So far we are getting a lot of comments from Irish people to prepare their recipe. Uh, so I came to know about this recipe, and this recipe Ireland country consider as a national dish. So how special for them it is, I just came to know, and I want to prepare today for the Irish fans, and let's see how tasty it is because it's a famous in Ireland. Coming to the ingredients part, meat we can use the meat, mutton or lamb. We are using mutton, and we use simple vegetables. So these are very healthy. I'm adding little oil because we get fat from the meat. First we cook the meat. Adding salt to taste and black pepper. I'm shifting this meat into the big bowl to make the stew. Onions, cabbage, cauliflower, radish and carrot, baby corn, green chilies, mix well. Looking colorful and getting nice smell. Broth. Now it's time to add potatoes. Wow, nice aroma coming. Everything is perfect. Perfectly boiled. Instead of thyme, I'm adding mint leaves. Wow. 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 All the vegetables melted in the soup. What a taste. That's why Irish people love this and consider as a national dish. And smashing all the vegetables together, potatoes and carrots and everything. And if I sip, wow, that soup is awesome. And finally, we added mint leaves that added extra flavor. Wow. Traditional Irish stew. Super! If you like this recipe, like, share and subscribe. Share your opinion on the comment section. So your opinion is more valuable for us.